Got him. One shot.
So do you...
Yep. It's just hold the head up a bit. And
okay.
You've got Nelson's
We'll just pull this up
Red Deer stag. It's a nice stag. 17 points. Quite heavy timbered. And come back down to Dave's stag. It's the one we shot early on this morning, just about in half daylight. And we just carried on and hunted for Nelson's stag after that. A couple of hours later now. We'll have to now tidy this up. There you go.
Come on down here.
This is a very wide set of antlers. 14 points. Classic Red Deer style. There we have it. Good effort. The black one. Got it. Got him. Did I hit him? Yep. You just wait for a minute. Okay. Man, my heart's racing. He's down. Yep, he's down. You can hear him refreshing his antlers. Very good. Got to be over the 200 SCI score looking at that.
Let me see his beard. Oh yeah, good turkey. Good turkey.
New Zealand turkey. Probably weighs 20 pounds plus nice 10-inch beard. Just basically the same as the Miriam turkey out west. I think really pretty bird. We had a good guide, good cameraman. Thank goodness a good shooter.
Quite a few goats. Right. Goats up behind us making a hell of a racket. Suspicious. Yeah. Just wait. Inside on. Look at that one. You see him? You've hit him. Had to go on to super night shot. He shot probably about 2 minutes before dark. Loaded. Wait, don't move, don't move, don't move. Here we have Bill. Deer only travelled about 50 metres. Needed a second arrow to finish it off, but reasonably clean kill.
Hold them.
It's 21 points. All good long points. Head's a wee bit narrow maybe, but I'll score quite high. Here we have Bill's goat. It's almost as hard as getting the red deer stag. You see we're in some real steep country here. One shot, it's probably ran only about 5 metres and fell down the bank. Looks to be around about a 30-inch tip to tip trophy there. For a nice long mane and beard.
Nice long mane.
At least 8-9 inches of hair there. Great trophy. Here we are. It's taken us about 3 hours. We found him. Stonehead. He's only actually travelled about 300 metres from where he was shot. Just have a look at these blades here. Look at that. The other side of course isn't as good, but we won't show you that one. Yeah, we've arrived up at the cabin, top of Mount Percy. We're up here today looking for a cull stag and maybe a few goats that we don't want up here. Yeah, let's have a quick look inside. Got the bedrooms. Spotted a couple of stags. One. Reload. Did you miss him?
I don't know.
You got him.
Got him?
Yep. He's collapsing.
Yeah, yeah.
Where'd you hit him?
On the shoulder.
He's collapsing in the brush now, you see.
Yeah.
A few metres from where he was. Here we have Alex with his little trophy. Shot up on the Mount Percy main range. Looking back up, you can't actually see the cabin, but it's right up under that peak over there. I haven't counted the points yet. It's an 8-pointer, nice and even.